The other system I wanted to show you on our shaft wall systems is our shaft plate gasket. This is one of our newer products. This was made because in some shaft systems, they're not allowed a cantilever over 1/2 inch. Our double J runner has a 1-inch cantilever. No shaft wall has a cantilever over 2 inches, but some of the systems that we're working with now don't allow over 1/2 inch. So what we have is we have a shaft plate gasket. It's our intumescent, covered on 20-gauge steel, and it's 3/8 of an inch thick. So basically what you do is you take your track and then you screw our shaft plate gasket 8 inches on center to the top and bottom. You don't have to worry about deflection because you're putting it on your top track and your bottom track. And so all of this whole system moves as one. We make this in multiple different sizes to cover tube steel, I-beams, for concrete transitions.
So structural steel. So we
Structural steel.
do it for both beam conditions as well as column conditions, right?
Correct.
The only downside is that you have to get back in the shaft to attach this, or you have to reach over from the top here and screw it in as you go,
Yes.
versus just dropping it in. But I know I've had a number of jobs where there's been elevator cables and brake cables and things within an inch of the edge, and that's why they can't put the liner panel in.
Mm-hmm.
So there may be wires, guide wires, what have you. This allows that low profile seat and finish.
Yep. And one of our things is we have knife blade attachments. We have tested with a knife blade attachment sticking through, so you can just make a cut and put the knife blade attachment coming out.
Yeah, knife blade for the elevator rails.
For the elevator rails.
Stick out. Yep.
Mm-hmm. And does not require any caulk or sealant around it. The shaft plate gasket does the job. These come in 4-foot pieces, just like this shows. And
wide is, I think we made up to 24 inches, I believe. But, and it's good for, like I said, columns and beams.
yep, and has a 2-hour fire rating.
Perfect.
Okay. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon.